STEAM learning relies on hands-on application, but certain practicals cannot be conducted in real-life settings due to safety concerns. Qatar Science and Technology School has integrated VR and AR technology education to provide 3D and immersive experience. This technology can motivate students to seek knowledge, visualize complex concepts, and develop the 21st century skills.
We'd have a theory class inside our traditional class, which is just the teacher teaching us the topics, and then we'd move into the VR lab to further explain and solidify the material that they gave us.
Virtual reality lab give students the experience to deal with real-world problems. There are certain things the students may not be exposed considering their age to go to real-world experiences, but that experience they can have in the VR lab. And when they go graduate from here to the actual world, in the real world, they will be having better skills to cope up. So it is very recommended that we should have VR experience to the students whom we are training and we are making tomorrow's leaders.
I keep bringing it up, but chemistry definitely helped me understand a lot. Sometimes when the teacher writes the formula on the board, I don't really quite get the full picture, but when I'm in this lab and put on my 3D goggles, and now I see the atoms actually bonding and seeing how they're going out and dispersing, it does really give me the clearer picture and the bigger idea of it all.
Virtual reality lab is a fun activity for the students. The students will have interactive session, and it will give them the true understanding of how things are being done and seen. And there are certain things, for example, atomic structure. If the students go to the topic, they can see the atom from inside. They can, for example, if there is a photosynthesis being explained, they can go inside the leaf and they can see how carbon dioxide is getting changed to transform to oxygen and all that. So this is a very different kind of experience for the students, which they will remember throughout their life.
It simplifies the way you view items. Like for example, I remember having a hard time understanding how a car engine works. But in front of the AR lab, I remember I just put on the 3D glasses and I could easily just separate the parts one by one. And I could easily identify what was this part, what was this function, what was this, and how it all came together.
وطبعا من الجانب الآخر هذه التقنيات قد أيضا يكون لها جانب آخر. طبعا كثر استخدام هذه التقنيات قد تؤدي لبعض الطلبة في التضرر من الجانب العقلي وأيضا من الجانب النظري، وأيضا كثرة الصداع عند كثرة الاستخدام. فأنصح المدارس أيضا بالتمسك بالعادة التقليدية للدراسة بدلا من هذه التقنيات، أو الموازنة بين التقنيات الحديثة التي موجودة وأيضا تقنيات الدراسة التقليدية.
This technology isn't just meant to improve learning. It's also meant to make the students understand easier. It will simplify the students' life, allowing us to have better generations and more innovative generations.